I want to talk about robotic technologies today. This flight controller that controls these four spinning motors in a drone is very, very capable and ostensibly a very, very small device. But it avoids obstacles by using different sensors, is able to maintain a certain altitude, and then receive radio calls using the radio remote control. So, it's become general technology. But then, there's certain things that could make use of that technology. For example, these cleaners. I wouldn't call this one a robotic cleaner as such because it's nothing more, I think, than a kid's toy. And you'll see in the link below that the person selling this is really a scammer. Claims to have brushes and a vacuuming capability 3-in-1, but it's basically just something that drags a mop across the floor and basically cleans up any sort of liquids. Definitely not worth the $25 that I paid for it compared to the drone. The drone's got a really sophisticated ability to do obstacle avoidance, ability to stabilize its own travel and trajectory, whereas this thing over here doesn't even have a rechargeable battery. You've still got to put in 5 AAA cells in it. So look, there will be people who will take advantage of saying things are robotic when basically they're not. But in general, I think the world is better off for all the robotic technologies that are in proliferation, including robotic process automation, which is really about getting rid of the mundane things that we face in our daily lives, documents, things that we have to fill in or check. This can all be basically done by machine learning.